Good afternoon. This is my Jeep update, Saturday, February 27th, 2021. And I'm kind of held up right now on going further on any other work on this front end of my Jeep. And I got to looking at all the parts that I've bought in the last couple of months, especially parts for the suspension. And I didn't realize I really haven't done this kind of work before. Got these control arms for the Detroit axle, and I was looking at videos and gathering information, and I realized like the lower control arms have bushings on both ends, but the upper control arms only have that bushing on one end. And I've got when I get over here, starting to install these, I actually need to do these first before I complete any other work. Simple fact that I've got a lot more items out of my way, got more room to work with, so I'm going to have to take a break from what I was getting ready to do and then concentrate on these control arms. And as you can see, there's no bushing on that end of this upper control arm. The bushing is on the bracket that comes off the top of the axle that joins up with that control arm. I'll get in here and see if I can get a view of it for you, for any of y'all that might be doing this to your Jeep. And trying to get in there, take a look at that bushing. I don't know if I got it. Don't really have a good view of it right now. But anyway, the bushing has to be, if it's changed out, it has to be replaced there at that bracket. And there you see the lower control arms. And as I showed you before, the new ones have brand new bushings on both ends. So that'll be good to go. And I'll probably have to reconnect that shock there to help support that axle when I'm jacking it up or letting it down, so it doesn't move too much either way. But anyway, it seems like every time I move along, I find more things I gotta do, and so this is a discovery for me. Anyway, to sum it up, I'm gonna break off what I was doing and concentrate on these control arms. And when I get that upper control arm off, I'm gonna take a look at that bushing. I may just recondition it. I'm just not sure, but I would like to replace it. And that's my Jeep update for today. And we'll see y'all next time. Out for now.